In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze frame in Shotcut. Freezing a frame is a simple way to pause the action on a specific moment, draw attention to it, or give yourself time for on-screen text. Here's the quickest way to do it without overcomplicating your edit. First, open your project in Shotcut and make sure your video clip is on the timeline and select it. Move the marker, the playhead, to the exact frame you want to freeze. Take a second to line it up precisely. The freeze will be created at the playhead's position, so accuracy matters. Scrub back and forth a frame or two to double check you're on the exact moment you want to highlight. Once you're on the right frame, right-click directly on the clip at that spot and choose Freeze Frame. Shotcut instantly creates a still image from that exact frame and places it into your timeline. So when you play the video back, you'll see the motion stop right where you chose. Use the preview to replay that section and confirm it pauses as expected. By default, the freeze is short, which is great for quick emphasis. If you want that pause to last longer, you don't need any complicated settings. Just select the freeze frame segment, copy it, and paste another copy right after it. You can copy with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C, or by right-clicking and choosing copy, then press V to paste. Each time you paste, you add another identical, still right after the previous one, which extends the pause. Paste as many times as you need until the freeze holds for the exact length you want. Play it back to make sure the timing feels right and that the transition into and out of the freeze is smooth. For the cleanest result, keep the playhead parked at the end of the freeze frame when you paste, so each new still drops directly after the last one. And the pause remains seamless. Paste several times in a row to build the exact duration you want, then play it back to confirm it feels right. That's all there is to it. Move the marker to your moment. Right-click and choose Freeze Frame, preview the result, and extend the pause by copying and pasting with Ctrl+C and V. It's fast, clean, and perfect for highlighting key moments in your footage. This approach keeps your timeline tidy and your workflow speedy. If this walkthrough helped, let me know in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and